If you want to create an account, please go to the register page and click on one of the two options. If you are already a customer at BayWa Solar Systems Benelux, please follow the instructions displayed. If you want to become a customer, please fill out the registration form. The fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Please notice that we only accept corporate customers with a valid VAT number from Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. If your company is based in another country, please check our corporate website for the contact details of our respective sister company. After having submitted your registration, you will be contacted by one of our sales representatives within the next couple of days. A customer account will then be created and you will receive an email that contains an activation link for your webshop account.